In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently open a task and form a subteam by assigning multiple users. This is particularly useful when you're looking to collaborate with a group of people on a project or task and want to streamline the process of getting everyone involved from the get-go. We'll walk through how to do this step by step, ensuring you fully understand each part of the process. Let's start off by opening your main task management application. Once you're in, look for the task you're aiming to modify or create. If it's an ongoing project, make sure to select the right task to ensure you're setting up your team on the correct activity. If you're starting fresh, you'll need to create a new task. This typically involves clicking a new task button or something similarly labeled. Now, with your task open or created, locate the section that typically says assignee or similar. This is where the magic happens. Usually it's clearly visible on the interface, but if not, hover around the task details until it appears. Once you've found it, click on it to begin adding team members. The application will open a field where you can start typing, enter the names or usernames of the individuals you wish to assign to this task. It's important to ensure that you're spelling their names correctly or that you're using the exact username if your application requires it so you can easily find and select them. This step is crucial because the system might not be able to auto-suggest the right user if details are not entered accurately. As you type, the application should automatically suggest users that match the entry. This feature makes it much easier to select the right person without having to manually search through your entire directory. Simply click on each name you want to add. If you're forming a subteam, make sure everyone essential for this specific task is included. This is useful for project management, delegating parts of the task to those best suited, and keeping communication smooth among team members. Once you've added all necessary team members, review the list. It's easy to overlook a name or add someone by mistake, so take a moment to check that the right people have been chosen and that there's no one missing. This step assists in preventing any confusion later on, ensuring the task flows smoothly with the correct people. When you're satisfied with the list, save your changes. This is often done by clicking a Save or Update button, which once clicked will apply the changes to your task and notify your selected users about their new assignment. This notification prompts the team members to act, allowing them to prepare and align with you from the start. And that's it. You've successfully created a task and assigned a sub-team, putting you in a strong position to get your project off the ground and running. Keeping a close eye on how effectively you can manage and communicate with your newly formed team will greatly enhance your productivity and foster effective collaboration. Happy task managing!